Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake Ozark. Check out this Aviara 36 stern drive. Massive swim platform, great transom area. These seats will actually ratchet up and these stools will actually come up and are on a gas strut. We've also got the hydraulic swim platform here, or swim step. Got the ILMOR drives. Got the extended sunshade that comes out, keep you guys cool. We've got fender storage here, trash can, storage compartment, grill, refrigerator, more storage. And we've got a custom Aviara cooler. Nice wraparound seating. This seat is adjustable. Great helm, and let's not forget our ILMOR joystick. Moving to the bow. Very nice, safe, and secure seating up here. Lastly, let's not forget about the cabin. 2 adults can lay down in here, and this will actually ratchet up to give you a little seat here to take a look at the TV. Great size head. If you guys would like to see this boat in person, feel free to give me a call. My direct line is 573-606-3029. Make sure to ask for Jansen. Thanks and have a great day.